रेडियो कक्षा
सुन्दै सिक्दै।
रेडियो कान्तिपुरबाट प्रसारण भइरहेको रेडियो कक्षा सुन्दै सिक्दैमा भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई पुनः स्वागत छ। ल त अब कक्षा सुरु गरौँ है त। अब हामी कक्षा 8 को अंग्रेजी विषयको पाठ प्रस्तुत गर्दैछौं। लौ त अब कक्षामा शिक्षिका नानु प्रधानाङ्गलाई स्वागत गरौँ।
Dear students, Namaste and welcome to today's English class of grade 8. I am your teacher Nanu Hada Pradhananga from Sri Padma Secondary School, Bhaktapur. Today we are going to start Unit 1, Lesson 1, Reading Comprehension. Before I start the lesson, let me ask you few questions. How often do you go out to visit new places? I know you like visiting new places, and if you ask me the same question, I'm going to answer it like at least a year I go for outing to visit new place because it gives us new energy throughout the year. So I hope you also go out, right? And then let me ask you next question. Then with whom do you go for visiting usually? Obviously, you go out with your friends, family, right? I also go out to visit new places with my friends, family, and sometime with friends of my school family. I mean to say with my students and teacher colleagues. And I like it very much. So right now, let's get into the lesson travelogue of your Unit 1, Lesson 1. Look at reading section, engage yourself. Are you ready for that? I hope you are ready. Okay, so let me read out what is the exercise here. There are many tourist attractions in Nepal. They are popular for many regions. We have many beautiful places in Nepal, and they are very popular for their natural beauty, whereas others are for their historical and religious importance, and they have their own importance. Some are important because they are religiously important, and some have historical significance, importance. What you have to do is write the names of the places that you would like to visit in our country. So please list out some of the places of our country which are naturally beautiful and historically important and places of religious importance. Okay, let me give you some examples so how it would be easy for you to list out some more names. So naturally beautiful places could be like Ilam, okay, with tea state, beautiful scenery view. Pokhara, obviously, Chitwan. So like that, you can list out 3 more. Let's move to next column, that is places of historical importance. So we can say Basantapur Darbar Square or all other Darbar squares of Valley, and then Gorkha, Nuwakot, etc. So continue writing the names. Now let's move to the third column, places of religious importance. So it could be Pasupatinath, right? Lumbini, Swayambhunath, and many others. There are many others. Please list out where you would like to go. I hope you have already been to some places, and if you have not, I would like to request you to visit those places of Nepal. Now let's move to number 2. I hope you got about number 1. Are you ready for number 2? I hope so. Now share your list with your friends and find out their correct names. Have you ever visited such places on your holidays? Write down the places you have visited so far. So in the first column, you have listed places where you wish to go. And now in number 2, you have to list out the names of those places where you have already been. Will you be able to do that? Yes, I hope so. Thank you. Now let's move to the another session. Okay, I hope you have textbook with you and there are some picture in the book. So what is the first picture about? Do you know? Which place is it? Obviously, okay, this is picture of Muktinath that is given in your lesson 1, which is important from religious point of view, right? What is there next? Next picture is about Naranhiti Royal Museum, and this is obviously important from the point of view of history, let's say. What is there next? Yes, naturally beautiful, spectacular view of Matapuchre, right? Which is also called festive. So after these pre-reading activities, let's get into the lesson. The lesson name is A Memorable Journey from Tarai to the Hill. A memorable journey from Tarai to the hill. Okay, let's start the lesson. Are you ready? I hope so. Let me start. I had heard that Khalegaon was a really beautiful place for homestay. So the lesson is about visit to Khalegaon, which is naturally very beautiful and it is famous for homestay. I mean, homestay means like hotels, but where you can get local flavor. Okay, you pay money, you are a paying guest and you get local homes and local environment over there. I was keen to go there. I mean, very interested. Writer was very interested to go to the place. Where? Khalegaon, right. My luck favored me. My parents made a plan to take me to the place for 5 days during my vacation. See how lucky is the writer? She wished to go there and her parents arranged that to visit to Khalegaon. As I was born in Birganj, I had never seen the hilly region before. It means the writer was from Tarai region and she had never been to hilly region. My first impression to Khalegaon made a lasting impression on me. So when she went to Khalegaon, it was really impressive. That made a great impression on her. I reached there, passing many hills through green countryside. So when they went there, they enjoyed beautiful scenery, green countryside, green village area, okay? Village area, they observed village area, which is fresh and full of greenery. The beautiful scenery on the way appealed me. So they were, writer and her family, they were appealed, attracted by the beautiful scenery on the way to Khalegaon. It still flashes in my memory. It still flashes in my memory means writer still remembers her visit to Khalegaon. The memory comes in her mind. Okay, let's move to next paragraph. After spending a night at a hotel in Besi Sahar, early next morning we started our journey on foot. First of all, they reached at a place called Besi Sahar. They stayed there a night. They spent a night over there, and then next days they started to go for a journey on the foot. I felt it difficult to walk on the hills. First of all, writer was feeling difficult to walk on foot. To walk on foot was difficult for her, and I felt it difficult to walk on the hills. Why? Because writer was from Tarai region and it was difficult for her to walk in hills. My father immediately realized it. We broke our journey in Baglingpani. That's why they broke their journey, mean they took a break. Okay, they stopped their journey there, over there at the place called Baglingpani. He told us to have a rest at Chautara. Chautara, as you know, it is a Nepali word, a big tree with a place to take a rest. So they took rest over there. He took out a bottle of cold drink from his bag and we drank it. So they drank because it was very hot. They were feeling hot. That's why they drank it. Then, are you enjoying the scenery? My mother asked me. Writer's mother asked her whether she was enjoying the scenery. Isn't it an exciting experience to see such a picturesque village? Picturesque, very beautiful, attractive. Okay, attractive village, attractive view of village. So she was exciting, feeling very happy. Okay, so she was asked by her father about whether she was excited or not, enjoying or not. My father pointed to the village with cluster houses. They could see a small village with many houses in the row, which was very spectacular, beautiful. I looked at the village. I couldn't help saying yes, because she was enjoying. She replied yes to her father because the view was really beautiful. That picturesque scenery thrilled me. That beautiful scenery made her excited, happy, okay, thrilled her. I forgot all the tiredness that I felt before. They were walking and tired before, but looking at the village, beautiful village of Khalegaon, along with her family, they forgot all the tiredness. Mommy, I'm ready to move ahead. I'm not exhausted. Tired. Exhausted means tired. She is no more tired. Let's go. I got up and walked towards the village. Then she was so excited and asked her mother and parents to move ahead. As we were walking, we got lost. As it was their first visit to the place, they couldn't find the way. They lost somehow the way. They did not know. That's why. So my father asked a stranger, "Excuse me, I wonder if you could tell me the way to Khalegaon." That's why her father had to ask for the way to a stranger, let's say with a local person for the way. Writer's father asked the way to Khalegaon. The man greeted my father and said, "I'm also going there." The man was so gentle enough, kind enough, and replied that he was going there. "If you like, I will guide you to get there." And he said that he could take them there. "Thank you," my mother replied. Her mother was so happy and said thank you. The man said, "The village with clustered houses is Khalegaon." And the man informed that the village that they were observing on the way, which was looking very beautiful, that was Khalegaon. It is situated at northwest of Besi Sahar in Lamjung. They stayed a night at Besi Sahar in Lamjung, and Khalegaon was northwest of the same place, Besi Sahar. It takes about a 5-hour walk to reach there on foot from Besi Sahar. It takes 5 hours from Besi Sahar where they stayed. We can get there by bus too. And the man informed that there is a facility of bus too. People who cannot walk can take a bus to go there. Almost all the inhabitants of Khalegaon are Gabri Gurungs, and special community Gabri Gurungs live over there. We enjoyed the journey with that man very much. The journey was very interesting as the man added some more information about Khalegaon. After about a 5-hour walk, we reached our destination. Then they reached to their destination, the place where they desired to go, where they wanted to go. "Why are they taking marigold garland with tika?" I asked my mother. And then writer was so curious as she saw people carrying some garland, mala, of marigold flower and tika as well. So she asked with her mother about it. What is the reason behind carrying those things? And she replied, "This is how they welcome their guest." My mother replied, and she replied that is their way of welcoming guest. We were treated with proper hospitality, with proper care, proper attention. Okay, hospitality means we were served with fresh and delicious organic food, and they were welcomed with fresh and organic food. Organic food means the food which is grown without chemicals. We ate dal, bhat, tarkari, achar with a Gurung family. We were paying guests there. They performed their cultural dances. Mainly we observed Khantu dance, Krishna Charitra, Chakri dance and Lama dance. So they enjoyed there very much. Their local food, local dances. Some more are there. Let's see what are that. In the end, we observed some typical round houses. So typical houses of that place. They observed that there was their sceneries. And we also looked at the Annapurna Himalayan range from the village. So they could observe Annapurna, Mount Annapurna from there. Thus, we spent 5 days in a homely environment in Lamjung and returned home. So they stay there for 5 days over there and enjoy it. Hope you got about this lesson and understood the lesson, and now you are able to do exercises related to it. So we are going to do first exercise words with word, fill in the gaps with correct words from the list. We have a list, the words like countryside, homestay, picturesque, exhausted, organic, cultural dances. Now let's fill up the exercises. Number A, we can live with a Gurung family in a what kind of place? Can you answer? I think you can answer
Homestay.
it. Yes, right answer. Homestay is the right answer, and learn their culture. Number B, we can stay a night in this. What kind of village?
Picturesque.
Picturesque. Right answer. Very good. It reminds us of our culture. Now let's move to number C. Foods are produced without using chemicals. I have already told you about it. So what is the word, appropriate word?
Organic.
Organic. Right answer. Let's move to number D. During the school vacation, many city people like to visit where? The
Countryside.
countryside. Great. That's the right answer. Now let's move to number E. Khantu dance, Krishna Chaitra, Jhakri dance and Lama dance are the common
Cultural dances.
cultural dances. Wonderful. Of Gurung Singh Khalegaon. And number F. I was
Exhausted.
exhausted. Good. From the I was exhausted from these continuous work. Wonderful. Now let's move to next exercise, that is match the following. Okay, we have words like impression, destination, thrilled, hospitality and inhabitant in column A, and now we are going to match these meanings, words to their meanings. Now you can also look at book and tell me answers, okay? Guess answers along with me. What is the meaning of impression?
A feeling that one get about something or somebody.
Good. The answer is a feeling that one gets about something or somebody. You must have guessed the right answer. Thank you. Now number B. What is the meaning of destination?
A place where somebody is going.
Right. A place where somebody is going is destination. Number C. Thrilled. What is the answer of thrilled?
Overjoyed.
Overjoyed. Become very happy, excited, right? Overjoyed is the right answer. Let's move to the next. Hospitality.
Friendly and generous behavior toward guests.
Yes, to welcome guests with warm feeling. That's why it is friendly and generous behavior towards guests. Right answer. Now only one word is left, that is inhabitant, and obviously only one option left. What is that?
A person live in a particular place.
Wonderful. All the answers are right. Now we have one more activity, that is read and do question answers. Okay, you have to find answers from the text. I hope you are ready. Number A. How many members were there on the journey? Who were they? Can you find this answer?
There were 3 members on the journey. They were writer and her parents.
Right answer. You can find this answer where? Right in the first paragraph, second line and third line, okay? So number B, where was the writer from?
The writer was from Birgans.
Yes, the writer was from Birgans. It is also in the very first paragraph. Okay, where did the writer go?
The writer went to Khalegaon.
The writer went to Khalegaon, right? So let's move to another number. Did the writer like Khalegaon? How do you know?
Yes, the writer liked Khalegaon very much because he said that it made a lasting impression on him.
Yes, it made a lasting impression on him means he liked Khalegaon very much. Yes, right answer. You can find this answer in the first paragraph too. Okay, now let's move to another question. We have 2 more questions and your Second last question is, how were the writer and her parents treated in Khalegaon?
The writer and her parents were treated with proper hospitality.
Good, right answer. The writer and her parents were treated with proper hospitality, and you can find this answer in where? Obviously, last paragraph. Okay, one more question is there. I will give you an example and you have to continue yourself. You have to do yourself. Can you do that? What is the question? Yes, describe Khalegaon in 5 sentences. You have to find 5 sentences yourself. Let me give you an example. Khalegaon is a beautiful place. It is famous for homestay. And 4 more lines about the Khalegaon. Please find out yourself. That is your task. Okay? So hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understood well. That's all for today. Thank you. Namaste.
आजलाई रेडियो कक्षा यति नै। भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई आजको कक्षा र पाठ कस्तो लाग्यो हामीलाई प्रतिक्रिया लेख्न नभुल्नुहोला। प्रतिक्रिया पठाउने ठेगाना हो कार्यक्रम रेडियो कक्षा सुन्दै सिक्दै, रेडियो कान्तिपुर, टेलिफोन नम्बर 5541 902। टेलिफोन नम्बर पुनः एकपटक 5541 902। तपाई हामीलाई इमेल पनि पठाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। यसको लागि हाम्रो इमेल ठेगाना हो radio@kmg.com.np radio class@kmg.com.np। यो ठेगानामा हामीलाई प्रतिक्रिया पठाउन नभुल्नुहोला है। लौ त आजलाई यति नै। साँच्ची आज रेडियोबाट पढेको पाठ घरमा पनि पुनर्जाँच गर्न नबिर्सनु है। भोलि फेरि रेडियो कक्षामा भेट हुने नै छ। तबसम्मलाई बिदा पाऊ। नमस्कार।